Alrighty, yeah, here it is, the big dog, the big dog. What is this? My new e-bike I just built. And it is kicking superpower. Yeah, look at that hub motor. That hub motor right there, 1,000 watt to 750 watts. Man, this thing powerful, powerful. So I got the front lights on there, little running lights, and then there's the little headlights. They're a little bright right there, a little bright. Just showing it to you. And I love my speedometer. You can see that it has the temperature, it has a clock and the speed and mileage, distance, all of that, man. And has a little black light on it where you can see all of that, man. This thing is cool. Now this gauge right here, this is where you turn the bike on. That's the power that shows full or empty. That's the amount of battery power I got in there right now, which is full. I can go 40 miles to the charge. But when you stop, make sure you hit this red button, turn it off, turn that power off, because I made a mistake and hit that bad boy and I hadn't turned it off and I slid around and crazy stuff. Boy, that's a lot of power. Turn that bad boy off when you stop and talking to people. Because I was just hanging out talking and it was still on. That bad boy is like a wild horse ready to get away from you. So yeah, right in here for the tech people is the controller. That's the controller. And the 48-volt battery is in here, you know, with my little bag and the wires hooked. And it's ready to rock and roll. And I'm getting ready to put me some disc brakes on here. I'm ready to take these old brakes off right here, cut them off and put the disc brakes on there. The disc brakes stronger. That's what it needs to stop. And I'm going to put another rack on here, 29-inch rack. This rack ain't quite strong enough. So other than that, man, this is a beautiful ride. I built this. Yeah, got to put another seat post on there. The seat is cool. But I built this, man. I've been riding it. It's amazing. I got to tell everybody about this pedal assist system. You put this around your pedal, and when you pedal in the hardest gear, the motor kicks in and just helps you out, and it's like you're not even pedaling. It is amazing, but it's crazy. It's like a horse that can throw you off, man. I'm telling you, with the different gears, this bike is super, man. It's just so amazing to have this, to put this together. And now I'm going to put my bags on the side, go to the grocery store, pick up stuff, man, save gas, and have fun. Just riding on this e-bike, man. This is the way to do it. Check that motor out from a distant angle. Woo, boy. This is dope. Straight dope. Straight macking. Straight macking, boy. Straight macking to give that view right there. Straight macking. That's my front lights on the front. Straight macking. This is just cold. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching this video. Check out all the links in the description to the parts, the wheel and everything. If you want to buy the kit and put your own bike together, you can get it with all those links. And if you need some help, you know, you can email me and I'll help you. I'll help you, you know. I'll help you put it together. Let me check that more out. Check my speed on it. Boy, I love that. I love that. See that black light on that? Boy, I love that. I love that in my other light. I love all of that. Alright, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Later.